Hey everyone! So in today's video I'm going to be trying something new, something a little bit more challenging, and I'm going to be showing you how to draw a pixelated version of Yoshi. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Pixelated Yoshi, I'm actually going to use a bigger marker. You can still use a pencil or a marker, but because some of these lines are going to be so big, it's going to be a little bit easier to do it with this. Now, to start off with Pixelated Yoshi, we're going to kind of begin with a little bit of the outside of him first. And we're going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a little line across. Then right here, I'm going to make another line across on each side. We're kind of using like rectangle shapes. I'm going to make a little line down here, and a little line down here, almost kind of like two squares. I'm going to make a line that comes down a little bit longer, and then same thing here, a line that comes down a little bit longer. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line across, little line here, little line here, kind of more of those little square shapes. And then we're going to make a long one come down right here. Now, right here, I'm going to make a little line that comes out on each side. Then I'm going to go down and over on each side. We're just going to go down and over. I'm going to bring this one over. I'm going to go down and over to here. Then I'm going to go over, down, over, and up. Then we're going to go over, down, over, and then up again. And those are technically going to be his eyes. And then right here, I'm going to make a long rectangle shape inside of here to kind of make the pupils of his eyes. Now right here, I'm going to make another little square shape. And then I'm going to make a little rectangle shape here. We're going to go down. And then we're going to come over here. And we'll bring this line a little bit farther over. Next right here, I'm going to come up. I'm going to make another line that comes down. And then a little line over here. Right here for the nose, I'm going to make a little line, and then I'm going to make another one right there. Now, over here, I'm going to make a line across, and then I'm going to make another one here. You can see we're really trying to connect with all the corners here. I'm going to make a line that comes down. I'm going to go over, and then we'll make another one that comes down. Now, starting here, we're going to go over, and then we'll come down. We'll go over again, and then we're going to come down here. Starting here, I'm going to come over. We'll make a little square shape here. A little bit longer line here. And a little one here. We'll make a little square shape here. And another little square shape right here. Right here, I'm going to make a line. And then I'm going to go down. We'll make another line that comes down here. Next, we're going to make a line across. I'm going to go down, We're gonna come over. Then we'll make another little line right up here, kind of connected there. Next, I'm gonna go up. Then we'll make a little square here. We'll make another little square. And then right here, we're gonna make a long line that comes up. Now for his feet, I'll make a line that comes down. And then I'll make another one that comes down here. I'm gonna make a line across and a line that's gonna go up. I'm gonna make another line across, one that goes up, and one right here. Now let's work on his spikes. So to do his little spikes, I'm gonna make a little square here, a little square here, and then a long line right here. Make a little line here. And then right here, I'm gonna make a line that goes up. We're gonna make one here. Make a little one here. And then a line that just comes in here. Make a line that goes up and over to here. Now, we want to do a little bit of detail on the inside. So this is going to kind of be where like the white part of Yoshi is. So starting here, I'm just going to go up and over. I'm going to go up, over, and down. I'm going to go over and down. I'm going to go over and down, over, and then I'm going to go down here. And then I'm just going to go over here. Right here, I'm going to go over and down, over and down, over, and then up. I want to make a white square right here on him. And then I'm going to do two little squares here. These are going to be white too on his feet. And there you go. There is your drawing of a pixelated Yoshi. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.